Hey guys, it's Deborah from Timelessjewelbydebra. So I was cleaning up my work area a little bit, and I found a box from 8/16/22, Mechanicsburg, PA, and this should be a ThredUP 15 piece. So I was like, well, why not? Because I have a whole bunch that came in 2023. So let's open up a 2022. And see what we get. All right. So I hope everyone's doing really well. All right, let's see. When did we order this? Go ahead and get it open. Okay, this I ordered August 10th of 2022. All right. And look at that, it's bagged. How nice is that? That is a plus. So let me go ahead and get rid of this box. Hopefully I don't bam. Oh, see, I got you. The big boxes always seem to be in my workplace. So let me bring you guys down anyway. So this is a first looks here. All right. Container that kind of looks like a Juicy Couture container. So, all right, I'm going to take everything out, and we are going to go through piece by piece. See you in a second. So here is everything laid out. It is a really different kind of lot. I like this. A lot of fun wearable pieces in here, and a name I have never heard of. This is really neat, and I will have some information about that one. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move everything off a little bit to the side, and then we'll go through each piece. I'll be right with you. So we might as well start with the box. So this is a Juicy Couture box. Opens up and it has, I've seen this before. This is an adjustable fluorescent yellow with pink bracelet. Here's what the back of your box looks like. It looks like someone tried to take the tag off, but it's super pretty, nice for spring and summer. It is adjustable. We can do the Juicy Couture adjustable bracelet in the box. Let's do 15 for that. All right, I'm going to move that off. This is so pretty. This is a copycat bracelet. This is costume. This is like, Coach has a really cute popular line with these same intertwined circles. This is not Coach. This is a beautiful representation of that style. So this is like a mint green, a pistachio green, and beige enamel. And it is a hinged bracelet. I wear a 7, and I have plenty of room. It is in nice condition. It's super pretty. No maker's mark on this. For this one, let's do 5. It's really super pretty. All right, move that over. Next up is, put it on here because it keeps wanting to get tangled up. So this is a loft layered set. So there's 3 strands. Each strand has rhinestones. So here at the bottom we have circles with rhinestones. Then we have a rectangle with rhinestones, and like a past, present, future, 3 little V silver tone. It is new on the card, layered basic outfit from Loft, originally $39.50. It is super pretty, really sparkly. For this Loft, let's do 8 for this piece. All right, super pretty. Move that off to the back. Then we got this piece. I'm going to move you guys up. Whoop. Here we go. Okay, so this is a peachy pink metal and acrylic. I'm not quite positive. It is all peachy pink. No maker's mark on it. It definitely needs a cleaning. It measures about 22 inches total. And we can just do $3 on this if anyone's interested. Let me move this off here. All right. And then we got a really, really pretty reversible Omega. So we have silver tone on this side. This is costume. And then you flip it over and it's gold tone. So, you know, this is that one perfect necklace that you can wear gold tone or silver tone, and be sassy and wear the you know, a gold tone with a silver tone charm on it. But it is really lovely. Here's your silver tone lobster claw clasp. These were really popular in the 80s. I had one of these myself when I was in high school. I love it, and it's a nice millimeter. It looks to be about maybe 4 millimeters. And for this Omega, we can do, let's do 8 for that. It's 8 inch. Yeah, that's cute. We'll do 8 for that. All right. Now this is interesting. So this necklace came in here. This is brass. Let me show you this. So this piece is made by Frans van Berkel out of the Netherlands in 2005. It was designed and made by him. And this is called Askew, A-S-K-E-W, Leaves Necklace. It sells for over $145 originally when it was for sale. Obviously, it's not for sale anymore. It is, gosh, 17, 18 years ago it was made. This is 16 inches. I will do this guy, let's do him for $75. And I will put some information either at the end of the video or here on the bottom of the screen with some more information. So how neat is that? Somebody I'd never heard of before. All right, next up is another necklace. This is pretty. So this is a geode. Just clanking it. There we go. Looked like there's some dirt or something on it. And I love this swirl. Isn't that cool? It kind of looks like an eye peeking out. And then it is gold trimmed here. This is a metal heavy gold tone necklace. Here is the back clasp. So it just clasps onto a chain. It is a really cool, I think they call this a solar quartz when it's this direction. So let's get you a measurement. I didn't measure that chain. All right. Let's see what it is here. So it's about 18 inches. So for this gorgeous geode, let me get you, yeah, I guess we could do, let's do 15 on that. Let me get you a measurement on this. That's what I was trying to say, but then I was like, oh, I got to give you a price, right? So this is about 1 3/4 by 1.5 inches. So that's a pretty cool piece. I like that. That's like instant happiness piece too. All right. Next we got up new on the card, Studio S boho-ish design earrings. Really pretty. These are like a green, greenish teal with a stripe, and then we've got the blue, and then the same color down here. New on the card, super pretty gold tone. For the Studio S, let's do $5. Then we got a pair of J. Crew earrings. These are textured, little ball. Let me bring that up so you can see the texturing. Nice size. Looks like these were from J. Crew Factory. They originally sold about $16.50. For these J. Crew, let's do $6. Then we got these fun J. Crew. I love this. Look at that beautiful yellow. Isn't that just joyful? Here is the back. So they are new on the card. Beautiful beaded earrings. These J. Crew we can do for $10. Then guess what? We got another J. Crew. These are beautiful. I like these. These have quartz crystal and crystal in them. And these are called the Christian hoop earrings. Beautiful gold tone. Here is the back. Marked semi-precious there. These are lovely, lovely earrings. So for these, J. Crew, let's do 18. All right. We got some fashion earrings. Let me get them up here for you so you can see those. Really nice, textured teardrop design. Kind of a greenish black here, a pale green here, and black stone. Here is what the back looks like. These are fashion earrings. We can do these for $3. Then we got a pair of boho earrings. I love these earrings. They are just sassy. Sassy like we are, ladies. So these are like a brass tone with a blue teal, more of a teal color, and then a blue. And then we have, I would say, a gold tone and like a gunmetal tassel. They're super pretty. Let me show you the back. No maker's mark on these. These are really sweet little pieces. Definitely boho inspired. Let's do $3 on these. Okay, then we got a pair of Banana Republic earrings. When I first saw these in the package, they were kind of this direction. And I was like, oh, those kind of look like kidneys. No, they don't. I wrote them down as the kidney earrings. But they are not, but aren't they sweet? So these are gold tone dangle. They are marked right there with the backwards B and the R. So these are Banana Republic. They look like they're in really nice condition. You know, a couple minor scratches. So for these Banana Republic earrings, we could do, whoops, let's do 5 on those. Then the last piece we got is a size 8 fashion ring. It is silver tone. It is a dome ring with black and clear and silver tone gray rhinestones in acrylic. It is just a fun piece. And you look right there. It's a size 8. Looks like all of the stones are there. And then it is lined here and here with clear stones. So for this fashion size 8, let's do $8. All right, you guys, so let me know what your favorite piece is. Learned a new name today with the Frans von Berkel piece. Never heard of him before. I think that's pretty cool. Otherwise, my favorite piece today, I don't know. I love this quartz, this geode. It's just so cool. But I just think these are fun and sassy and perfect for summer. And it's funny because this came, you know, last year in the fall. So what you going to do? This came, let's see, August 10th, 2022 is when I purchased this. So, all right, you guys. Well, leave me a comment in below. Let me know what your favorite piece is. Also, if you like this content, please consider hitting that thumbs up, liking, and sharing. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really does help the channel, and I appreciate every one of you being here. If you are interested, email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. All the information you need is right down there in the description area. Really simple. I have you send me the email for your protection. So if you don't want everyone knowing what you're buying, then, you know, it won't be on the page. But I do some buy it now in videos as well. But for a majority of my videos, they will always be send me an email with your request. All right, you guys. You all have a fantastic day or night, wherever you are in this very small world of ours. And take care of each other and be well. I'll talk to you soon, you guys. Bye.